everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about all things Cricut. And I can tell you that when I started my own personal journey with the Cricut Maker, I was definitely excited. Not only was I excited, but admittedly, I was a little intimidated at first. But once I set up my machine and walked through the step-by-step process, I knew at that point that literally creativity was going to be endless. Now, part of that learning process includes knowing the Cricut terminology and learning how to use the tools. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about these things, and we'll discuss what weeding is, how to use a spatula, and what in the world is burnishing, and how do you do it, as well as a variety of other Cricut terms. Pretty soon you'll be a pro like me. Well, you know, sort of like me, because I'm still learning like you are. So we'll go on this journey together. Also, I'm not only going to tell you about these tools, but I'm also going to show you how to use all of these tools in action. So let's get started. Now, all Cricut machines come with Design Space. Design Space is a free, easy-to-learn design software that is also cloud-based. What that means is that you can access, edit, and personalize your projects literally from any device at any time. You could start on your phone, you could continue working on your desktop or your laptop, and then you could continue to work offline, all without breaking any of that creative stride. Also, what's really cool about Cricut's Design Space is that it provides you with all kinds of free images and fonts that you can use to design, create, and have your own project done. Also, what's really cool is that if you're a designer yourself, you can upload some of your own designs into Cricut Design Space and create your way. Next up is the print and cut feature. This allows you to make any image, text, or combination of the two in Cricut Design Space printable. This allows for multiple layers of color to quickly and easily be put together to create a professional looking design that is all yours. Now, you might be thinking, what is a Cricut scraper? Well, a Cricut scraper is a custom design tool to clean unwanted scraps from the Cricut cutting mats, contributing to a longer lasting mat. It can also be used to smooth out materials onto the mat or to burnish materials such as vinyl and to remove air bubbles or wrinkles. Next up is the Cricut Spatula. The Cricut Spatula precisely lifts images from the Cricut cutting mat, preventing intricate images from tearing or curling. The angled head of the spatula allows it to slide underneath the material with ease. This is probably one of my favorite tools. Now, another great tool is the Cricut Weeder. The Cricut Weeder is used for literally weeding out or removing any negative pieces around your image. So when you're working with vinyl or an iron-on image, it helps you precisely remove everything that isn't a part of your design from your cutting mat. It's also great for poking out tiny little negative pieces from, say, a cardstock cut image. When using transfer tape, you'll often burnish or rub or polish the transfer tape. Rubbing the transfer tape helps remove any air bubbles for a smooth application. Typically, a scraper tool is used to burnish. When transferring your project to your work surface, you may again want to burnish it just to make sure it adheres to your final project. Everybody, I hope these tips and tricks were helpful for you. If you haven't started playing around with your Cricut machine yet, definitely get it out of the closet. Start working on it. You're going to have so much fun. Also, if you have questions, feel free to check out the Cricut YouTube channel. I'll have that linked below. Thanks, guys.